Hey guys, this is Kyle from 541 Markhoff's Motorsports. Today working on this Hummer H2, I believe it's a 2008. I just wanted to show you a common spot for a coolant leak. So this thing's in here for a tune-up, misfiring, so we're doing coils, plugs, wires, and both valve cover gaskets were leaking. I noticed though the coolant reservoir was about an inch down. So I was looking around, and down here on this bottom wire there was a little leak. It's way worse now because I actually pulled it off. But it's a common occurrence on several different types of vehicles. I've replaced countless ones. These little connectors back there that go into your heater core, they're little plastic guys, and they get really brittle from all the hot coolant obviously flowing through them. See, I just barely touched that sucker and broke right off. So if you got a coolant leak, definitely check those two guys. There's another one over here that didn't break. I'm gonna replace both of them though.